Hey, I'm back! This is just a mini vlog. Get ready with me. Let's start skincare and then makeup. Oh, magic na to. Next, hair na tayo. Simple curls lang. Ayan, secret yan. Baby powder para hindi masyadong oily yung scalp. And charan! Oh, car clips na lang muna tayo kasi maulan. And we're here sa first venue. It's in Lapu-Lapu Resort. We booked for a day use, yung may buffet lunch, etc. But when we got there were a lot of people. Parang may trick or treat din ata. So we just checked the beach and then we left and looked for another venue. Ayan, so this is the second spot. If you've been here, you know where this is. I really like the designs. However, when we went to the concierge, medyo mahal po siya. Ayan, so singit muna natin yung OOTD na puro sponsored. Parang yung pashmina at mask lang ata yun sa akin. So we went to the third place. If you've been here, you also know where this is. And we were looking for a restaurant where we could have lunch. And stroll na rin. It's really nice to see the sea, some trees. At ito na nga.
Huh?
Train. I've seen these but hindi ganito kadami. Nashock ang lola mo, Day. Ayan, so run for your life. So we finally found a place kung saan kami kakain ng lunch, seafoodboil. So upon entering, you have to register and then check out the menu. Ayun, may mga cats. Mag-uusap kami.
Hello, you're scared? Why are you scared? Why are you scared? Hi! Hey, oh yes. Oh, boy. Why are you scared? Why are you scared? Why?
Ayan, so after annoying the cats, dumating na yung food namin. Scallops, Korean chicken, sinigang na baboy, ayun, crab and shrimp in a bag. Ayun yung mga crabs, and then ayun na. That's all.